Good morning all, this is K5UCO here. Just going to show you a little tour of my mobile setup. Here we've got a radio console that I kind of built. You might notice that we're missing one. That's my VHF. It's got to be reprogrammed. 220, 440, 900 megahertz. I've just got the mics hanging on down there. A temporary kind of thing. We've got the ID 4100A. And a little CD mount thingy. Got a repeater over there I'm working on. And there's the CB with the audio interface. We'll get on out and show you the antenna. Spider's made his home up there. Got the 220 antenna behind that third brake light. It's just shoved in there. Got a tri-band 2 meter 70 centimeter 900 antenna with a triplexer inside, and then we've got some co-phased fire sticks fed with 50 ohm coax. I lucked out on those and got a pretty good match. Normally you'd feed those with 75 ohm coax, but I guess one of them was about 75 ohm impedance, so it about evened out. Gets 4 miles pretty regular, 60 over at 4 miles for signal strength, so I guess that's good. But yeah, all in a Chevy 1500. That's about it.